Hey there, I wanted to show you this feature that I just discovered, which is some formatting. So I wanted to get these tab indents correct because I'm using 2 spaces and the snippet that I copied this from is using 4. So I discovered that you can right click and actually format this whole file using the format document, and I believe that it's using one of these plugins, formatting plugins. I'm using PHP Intelliphense since this is PHP, but you can also actually just right click, since I don't want to reformat the whole document because it's making a bunch of changes that I'm not sure is going to. So let me show you. If I format document, you see all these lines here. It's making changes for the whole thing. I don't want to do all of that, but I can just select this snippet here, right click, and then just click format selection, and that will fix the indenting and all that for me for just that. So that is one way for you to format, fix the tab indenting when you copy over a snippet instead of doing it manually.